In this video, I will be introducing to you the AR makeup effects for YouCam Makeup and also for YouCam for Business. So the makeup effects will include makeup categories like blush, contour, and more. First of all is foundation. So you can see that we could have different types of colors, and you could compare the before-after of trying on a foundation shade. And also for blush as well, we have a lot of different colors that you could try on, and also the different placement or patterns of where the blush is displayed on the face. Okay, and also for lip color, we currently support not only the different colors, but also up to 7 different textures. So we strive to make the AR makeup to be as close to the actual makeup application as possible. So as you can see, as we try the different lip color textures, it mimics the actual product as it is applied on the face. So for example, I'm using the gloss one. You can see it's very glossy. And the shimmer, you could tell that it has shimmer particles, and for metallic, the texture is metallic. And we offer a lot of different parameters for brands to control how they want the color in the actual product to be applied on the face. So for example, like shimmer, brands could control the shimmer size, the shimmer density, the shimmer color, and also the same for metallic as well. And for the textures metallic and holographic, we actually created them based on the data that brands have provided us. So we do have the capability to create new textures that are out on the market as long as data is provided to us for R&D team to develop. Okay, next are contour and highlight. So for contour, we have different color combinations that we offer to the user. And brands could also set their own color combinations on the Perfect Console. And you could also decide the different patterns of how you want to contour the face. And also the same for highlights. So we have a lot of different colors that you could choose to set as your highlight, and brands could always create their own, and also the different highlight patterns. Okay. And so you can see that the difference of me applied makeup and then without the makeup. Okay, so this is the demo for the AR makeup try-on for YouCam Makeup.